Aquarius May 2021 horoscope. There would be stability around and spiritual walks can be taken without much hindrances. However, the sun would be in square aspect to your sign around the middle of May. This might bring about a lost feeling in you. Lay low, be at peace with yourself, and things shall pass off quickly. The May 2021 Aquarius horoscope predictions reveal that this month your focus will be on family and your home. Career and other things in your life will have to wait until next month. The beginning of the month will be a rough one for you, but as the month progresses, everything will improve ultimately. Aquarius education horoscope. Education forecast for May 2021 for Aquarius sun sign do not augur well for students. Planetary aspects are not helpful for academic growth, and even studiousness will not yield the expected results. Passing competitive tests will require a large amount of studies combined with more guidance. Professional students will struggle hard to understand their subjects. Language and communication students will have a tough time in their academic courses. Aquarius career horoscope. May 2021 Aquarius forecast for career professionals indicate a tough time on the job front. The atmosphere at the workplace will not be cordial and there will be conflicts with seniors and associates. This makes getting things done very difficult. Planetary positions will make you work hard without the expected rewards. You will not be able to expect any help from your social connections. Some mental solace can be expected by engaging in social service and spiritual activities. Aquarius finance horoscope. Aquarius finance horoscope for the month of May 2021 predicts that the month is not favorable for the finances of business people and traders. If you are indulging in speculative activities, be prepared to take a hit. People engaged in fine arts and similar creative activities will fail to make a decent living out of their products. Stellar positions are not favorable for starting new business projects. All investments should be postponed. Aquarius travel horoscope. Aquarius zodiac travel forecasts for May 2021 are less auspicious for travel activities. There will be many tours both within the country and in foreign lands, but the results from these are hardly encouraging. People in tourism industry and exporters will be affected. There will be neither any financial benefits nor any new avenues for growth. You should take up only essential tours to save money and effort. Aquarius health predictions. Quite a helpful month since the stars are quite favorably disposed towards your health affairs. Only one important note of caution needs to be sounded, and that is to caution you against overexertion. A rational schedule of activity should be drawn up, which does not unduly tax your system and yet allow full play to all activities. Your health will be good only after the 23rd of this month. You are expected to indulge in therapeutic activities such as yoga to stimulate your mind and relax your nerves. Aquarius love and relationship horoscope. Horoscope May 2021 predictions for love relationships of Aquarius people predicts that love will be humorous and naughty. Mars will make love life extremely passionate. Love relationships will breathe fresh air and will be very much delightful with good chances of a pregnancy. Aquarius compatibility will be seriously affected by family intrigues. It depends on how well you manage to keep away from these and enjoy your married life. After 20th, love will be made affectionate and memorable due to the influences of Venus, Mercury, and the Sun. This month, single Aquarius personality will develop a social culture, hence they will meet their soulmates in social or spiritual gatherings. Aquarius family horoscope predictions. May 2021 horoscope is not very favorable for family affairs. There will be conflicts with senior members of the family, and relationship problems between family members will ruin the peaceful environment. You have to draw on your energies to maintain cordiality in the family surroundings in the 2021 Mercury retrograde. Children will be influenced by the negative environment. Even planetary positions are not helpful for their progress. Parents should take care of their academic interests. Their behavior should be watched carefully and they should be disciplined when necessary. Thanks for watching the video.